in 2020 following today. This year has absolutely flown by, and I really appreciate you guys dropping in for less than a couple minutes every Thursday. But sometimes people save the best for last. Today, we use that saying, we go big or go home. 3G's KUBO products have certainly set a standard in the market for over 20 years. Did you hear me? Over 20 years. Yeah, I know what you're thinking about. There might be someone else in your line card that makes a similar product to the 3G KUBO. But is it really an architectural acrylic fixture with a lot of the efficiencies and quality that comes behind the story of the KUBO? I don't think so. Over 20 years we've been making this product, hand making this product, modifying, customizing, you name it. It's went through a wealth of changes, of course, from technology to where it is today. Now I think it's safe to say we are the OG architectural acrylic fixture in the market. 4-inch, 8-inch, 12-inch, 24, 48, you name it. We're simply limited only by the sheet of acrylic that we're cutting from because this is the hand-glued product. But jump online and check out the different products that are offered in the KUBO family. Now it's one of those products that has went through some drastic changes over the years just with technology. I mean, we're talking T8s now being an LED. But to be able to have a product that has been modified, inspired many different designs through this handmade product, I mean, check out the cut sheets for these offerings. There's a lot of different things that we can do when it comes to our KUBO fixtures. The two products we're talking about today are the vertical fixtures in the KUBO family. One, most importantly, is a fixture that people always come to me and say, is that modified? Is that custom? What is that exactly? Well, today we get down to the bottom of it. Well, this product right here, that's my 1248. That's 12 inches wide by 48 inches tall. 48 being 4 feet, I can't get it in the camera today. But let's cue the picture so you can see it in application, of course. Fully saturated acrylic from top to bottom. This product's also available in an 848, so it's 8 inches by 48 inches high. But of course, it's been modified and customized to be shorter, some to be larger as well. I mean, this looked flawless when we did it not too long ago in an 8 feet high RGBW. It looked unreal. Now, just like all of our KUBO products, as well as our RUBO products, this is a hand-glued acrylic. So that means those corners are not just simply butt jointed. That's actually a 45-degree miter that's been hand-glued. That creates a dimensional line to really show the dimension of whether it's your small cube or, of course, your 1248 in this case. I encourage you to jump online and check out the cut sheet for my 1248 as well as my 848 with the integrated driver options as well. These fixtures can be used for a variety of different applications. And of course, it's one thing to have a beautiful looking fixture, but also check out the cut sheets for the power behind our acrylic fixtures. And I mean, while you're there, why don't you check out this fixture as well? And that product is my pendant 1004. That's a 10-inch cube with a 2-inch collar. 10-inch cube with a 2-inch collar. All hand glued to create a 4-foot long fixture in this case. So 10 being the 10-inch box, 4 being 4 of them high. This pendant looks absolutely flawless in your space. And believe it or not, has been modified in the past. And I'll say it again, this is certainly a product that has been tried to be replicated by a lot of our competitors, yet can't be duplicated. And again, it's safe to say, we're the OG, especially when it comes to the 1004. Whether it's my 4-inch or my 48-inch, I think it's safe to say that 3G certainly sets the tone in the market for architectural acrylic fixtures. Jump online and check out the overall product offering when it comes to the KUBO family and their individual spec sheets. And there you have it. We got one more to go next week, and I hope you'll join us for the final 3G Thursday of 2020. And I have no clue what I'm gonna do, but I think I have to one-up myself from last year. I'm singing! I'm talking about Madison Zoe products, downlights, linear products, and KUBO lighting, and all things 3G. And I'm singing!
There's no singing in the North Pole.
Yes, there is.
No, it's not.
Until then, that's your 3G Thursday. We'll see you next week.